The prosecution has rested on day 6 of the Dr. Reynaldo Ortiz IV bag tampering trial. Before that, an expert testified there was a pattern to the life-threatening emergencies 4 patients experienced at the Baylor Scott & White Surgicare in North Dallas. Fox 4's Lori Brown has been following testimony since this trial began. Lori.
Clarice, after the prosecution rested, the defense called 3 witnesses. One of them was a nurse anesthetist who worked for Dr. Ortiz, and she said it was normal for him to move IV bags at a different facility. A prosecution expert worked to tie the pieces together that patients Tammy Young, Kelly Pifer, John Eller, and Jack Adlerstein all experienced the same 5 reactions after receiving IV bags during what should have been simple procedures. First, their blood pressure skyrocketed. Then it tanked. They had cardiac dysfunction and foaming at the mouth caused by fluid in the lungs. The expert testified that Adlerstein, the youngest of the patients at 18 years old, was drowning in his own fluid and became pulseless. Former U.S. Attorney Paul Coggins, now a white-collar crimes attorney, said showing a pattern is important to the government's case.
Just as the government's trying to show it all fits within a pattern, and that pattern is explicable by that IV bag, the defense is trying to show there is no pattern here. These are all different cases. They're all reacting differently to different stimuli.
Earlier, Dr. Elizabeth Kerner also took the stand for the prosecution. She was the plastic surgeon for 2 of the 4 patients. But during her testimony, she could not remember key details about the surgeries, including that Kelly Pifer had to be transported to the hospital by ambulance. Pifer's anesthesiologist testified to those details separately, saying he went with her and saw a nurse at the ER give her a new IV bag, and that is when Pifer's condition improved. Dr. Kerner testified, "I don't know or I don't recall at least 6 times to the government's questions." She also stated, "I've totally gone blank," and added, "I'm fairly nervous."
Both sides prepare their witnesses. So the government certainly prepares a witness. Sometimes those witnesses misfire. It's generally not fatal if the government's got documents and they can use documents to refresh someone's recollections.
Defense attorneys said that they have several more witnesses and they have not yet decided if Dr. Ortiz will testify in his own defense. The jury is expected to begin deliberations Thursday. Clarice.